today I'm going to share some ideas on how to use videos in your lessons. After that, I'm going to share some ideas on channels, YouTube channels and websites where you can find great video lessons and videos per se. So let's get started. Well, my first tip is to make sure that your video is short. I wouldn't recommend anything longer than 5 minutes. And even so, maybe you want to break it down in 2 stages, okay? Because our students, and I think people in general, have a short attention span. So make sure your video is brief and straight to the point. My second tip is choose a video that is relevant and suitable for your students' needs, interests, level of proficiency, and maturity as well, because you know, sometimes the characters from the video, they may use strong language, so make sure that your video is suitable for your students. My tip number 3 is that your video can be used in different stages of the lesson, right? It can be used in the first stage as a warmer or a lead-in, where you want to activate your students' schemata, or it can be used as the main source of input of grammatical structures or lexis, vocabulary. So you have to define where you're going to use your video, okay? And my last tip is to make sure that you plan the pre-video activities, while video activities, and post-video activities. So your students have a purpose for watching the video, okay? So these are my tips. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you 8 websites where you can find inspiring, interesting, funny videos for your lessons. So let's get started. The first one is The Hack, which is this one, okay? And the host, I don't know his name, is really funny. He's really funny, interesting. And he shows that it's possible to live a frugal lifestyle, okay? These videos are quite fun and lighthearted, and I hope that you can find something interesting for your students. So the first one is The Hack. The other one I want to show you is Zoe Sug. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. Zoe Sug, maybe. Okay, she is a famous British vlogger, and as you can see, she has over 4 million subscribers, and she shows she shows posts about lifestyle, makeup, travels, and much more. So you can see here, you can see that some of her videos are long, but you can chop it up, right? So you don't have to use the full video. You can just use snippets of the video. Okay. Right, so the next video I want to show you is this one. It's a couple channel, okay, a channel for a couple. So these are Charles and Alyssa. So it's called Charles and Alyssa Forever. So they have over 1 million subscribers, and they're just so cute. They're just, they are Americans, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, they are Americans. And they post funny vlogs where they prank each other, they give people advice, they just show where, you know, simple life, really. I love watching their videos. They are so funny and so cute. Some of the videos are quite long, like 13 minutes long, but you can use just a part of the video, okay? The next one I want to show you is this one. Yeah, 60-second docs. I love this channel. I love those videos because they, as you can see, they are very short, okay? They are around a minute. That's why it's called 60-second docs. So they are perfect for the lessons that we deliver. And they just have very interesting posts about different topics. You can find topics on different themes. I've used this one, for example, the Grandma Gamer, and they are just really interesting. Okay, the next one is BBC documentary. As you can see, wow, they have over 650,000 subscribers, not millions, but thousands. And they are full documentaries on different topics again, and you can use just part of the documentary. You can explore the settings, the language. The other one, the Ellen Show, I love her. She's an American host, an American presenter. Her videos are much shorter than the ones I showed you before. Okay, and she interviews people, she talks to people, she has some funny sketches here, and it's really nice. These are suitable for the classroom. So they are authentic videos, but they were adapted for the classroom. So this is ready to run, ready to run. It's not a YouTube channel, okay, it's a website. And they have videos for different levels. Some of those videos are free. You can find the video, the lesson plan, and everything. But some of the videos are for members only, okay? So you have to subscribe. Different topics: education, entertainment, culture and celebrations, crime. I hope you enjoyed those websites, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.